I'll just start sharing my screen.
Shama ma'am, can you unshare your screen, please?
Nagoshe sir, is my screen is visible?
Yeah.
Yes. So we are coming back to the same site again and again, that is vlabs.iitc.in. Okay. So there are a lot of labs and disciplines available, as many speakers since morning they're saying. So you can see that there are electronics, computer, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, physical sciences, and chemical sciences. So I'm just going to touch a few things with respect to chemical sciences. And whatever are the settings I'm telling right now with respect to chemical science lab, those are applicable for each and every lab available under VLab, wherever there is a requirement for such a kind of a settings. So we'll just go to chemical sciences lab. So in the chemical sciences lab, lots of labs are available. Out of that, there are few labs which are directly mapped to the first year engineering chemistry syllabus. So let's say we'll go for physical chemistry lab, or okay, we'll go for in physical chemistry lab. Okay, so this is one of the experiment which is also mapped. So under physical chemistry lab, you have these many labs available. So you can just click on, as all other faculty members, they have told you that for every lab, how is the structure. Now from all these demonstrations, you might have got that this VLab platform is a complete package. You get theory, you almost every kind of a lab manual over here, which we can use it in this pandemic situation. So let's say I'm just going for spectrophotometry. As I said, again, I'm not from the chemistry field, so I'll just show you some of the things why I have chosen this particular lab is there are few settings which are applicable to every single lab where flash player is required. So as you know now that these are the common tabs for every single lab available in under VLab platform. So there is a theory, there is a procedure. So this entire procedure, you can follow it and you can get how a simulator works. Then there is a self-evaluation tab available. Okay. Now here is some of the things. For some of the labs, you will get this screen, which is sign in to view the content. Now you can either free sign up or you can go for login. I'm just going for login. Now these are the options available. If you don't want to go through these options like a Google or a Yahoo or all these, what you can do is you can enter your you can enter your username, password, and create an account over here at this site. But I'm preferring here by using a Google, as I've already signed in, so logged in. Because of that, it won't ask me for the password or anything, and straight away it will come for this. So if you're not logged in to your Google account, it will ask you for entering the mail address and the password. So it will come over here. Now, these are the evaluation, as all my colleagues, they have explained you. These are the evaluation. Even down, they are showing which are the other labs which are there on the virtual lab, or what are the other platforms available for the chemistry labs for this. Now, we'll go to simulator. Now, once you go for the simulator, many people are going to face something like this. Fail to detect flash player, or click here to enable a flash player. So there are two things for doing this setting. What you can do is you can click over here. Go to the site settings. In the site settings, search for flash. Search for flash. Flash is here in site settings. Go down. Go to the flash. Now, in many cases, it will be switched off. Now, in my case, I have already switched on. That's why it is showing here. Otherwise, it will be like this. So you're blocking the site from running the flash. So you just turn it on, close this setting, and go over here, again, click on I. See here, it is showing flash now. You can just click on here and say allow and close this. It will ask you, as you can see over here, it will ask you to reload your page, just to reload your page. Okay. Now this setting, please remember, wherever you require a flash player setting in any of the virtual lab, you can use this flash player setting. Now it will take some time, just a few minutes. It will load that entire thing, simulator. Yes. So as I said, I'm not the subject expert from this, so you can have this experiment. There are now self-explanatory options are here. You can have a click to open. You have to place your concentration and click whichever you want, and then you have to keep it over here. And likewise, you have to perform your experiment. You get all the calculations. You have to find out what are the solutions and all those settings. I think those, as being the subject expert, all those chemistry people will be able to do it. Now, the same thing, there are assignments, there are references, self-evaluation, that is a kind of a pre-test, whether the student has understood a particular concept or not, or specifically related to this. So we can first find out whether a student has got some kind of a concept or not. If not, we can ask the student, go back, okay, you read again the theory, solve this evaluation test, and then only you perform the simulator. So this way you can perform all those experiments available under chemistry lab. There are other chemistry experiments which are available, which are under in organic chemistry. There are many experiments are there which are straight away mapping to our SPPU chemistry syllabus. So that's all from my side. So thank you so much, and thank you for patiently listening to me. So after this, I'll directly call upon Nagoshe sir